Hello viewers, welcome to this informative video. I am Apurva Bajaj. I am student of Indian Institute of Information Technology, Vadodara International Campus Dev. In this video, I am here to present my project work for the course Basic Electrical Engineering. In this video, I would like to add some more information about hydroelectric power plant. I have tried to cover what are power plant and its types, what is hydroelectric power plant, how does it actually work, mechanism of hydroelectric power plant, some of the advantages and disadvantages, and also I would like to highlight hydroelectric power stations in India. So let's get started. The objective of this video is to study hydroelectric power plant. This project covers mechanism of hydroelectric power plant, its working and some of its pros and cons. Let us understand what is power plant. A power plant is an industrial facility that generates electricity from primary energy. In power plant, electric energy is generated with the help of sunlight, water, heat, coal, etc. Let us discuss some of the types of power plant. I have enlisted some of the types in below. The first one is hydroelectric power plant. The second one is thermal power plant. The third one is a nuclear power plant. The fourth one is solar power plant. And the fifth one is wind power plant. Let us have a better understanding of what is hydroelectric power plant. As the name itself suggests, hydroelectric, that is, generation of electricity with the help of water. The power plant in which electrical energy is generated with the help of water is termed as hydroelectric power plant. Hydroelectricity is produced from hydropower. It is a renewable source of energy. As we all know, the main source is water and it gets replenished in a human time scale. Let us have a look at the working of hydroelectric power plant. The water flowing from a reservoir or dam is directed at a turbine. As the water is moving with some velocity, it has kinetic energy. The water flowing leads to the rotation of a turbine. Here, the kinetic energy of water is converted into mechanical energy during the rotation in turbine. The rotation of a turbine or the spinning of water in turbine leads to the activation of turbine generator. The mechanical energy produced by the turbine is then converted into electrical energy with the help of a turbine generator. We all know that generator is a good conductor of electricity, thus it has copper wire. We know that current is generated on moving a magnet near the conductor. With the help of the similar principle, the shaft of a turbine spins a magnet inside coils of copper wire, and thus the electrical energy is generated at the generator. Let's have a look at the mechanism of hydroelectric power plant. Some basic elements of hydel power plant are reservoir, dam, trace rack, forebay, surge tank, penstock, spillway, turbine, powerhouse. In this diagram, it is clearly seen that the water flowing from the reservoir is directed into the turbine. As the water is moving with the velocity v, it has some kinetic energy. Now, this kinetic energy during the rotation of a turbine, this kinetic energy gets converted into mechanical energy and this mechanical energy gets converted into electrical energy with the help of the generator. The electricity produced is then transformed with the help of a transformer. The electricity produced is stored in the powerhouse, and as per the requirement, the electricity is supplied with the help of the power lines or power cables. The diagram here shows us the hydraulic power generation in the help of dam style. The mechanism and the working also remain same here, but here instead of reservoir we have make use of dam. As we all know that all the things that exist have some pros and cons, let us discuss about some of the advantages of hydroelectric power plant. It gives us information about flood, thus it provides us with flood control. It helps us in irrigation. It gives us irrigation support. It is the cheapest resource of energy. And another one is that it is very low indirect emissions. Let's move further and let's discuss about some of its disadvantages. Disadvantages of hydroelectric power plant are: the first one is it has an adverse effect on aquatic life. The second one, the location of a plant requires a huge amount of land. Thus, a huge amount of population needs to be relocated from one place to another, and again, as it requires a huge amount of land, there are some limited locations where this plant can be set up. As the main source of a hydroelectric power plant is water, and we all know that water is a renewable source, that is get replenished in a human time scale, so we are also susceptible to droughts. Now, I would like to highlight some of the hydroelectric power stations in India. The first one is Sardar Sarovar Dam, situated at the Narmada River in city Navagam in the state of Gujarat. Another ancient power station in India is Bhakri Dam. It is located on Satluj River in the state of Himachal Pradesh. Another one I would like to mention is Omkareshwar in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Sri Salem Dam, located on the Krishna River in the state of Telangana. Koina Power Plant, it is again one of the ancient hydroelectric power station in India. It is situated on Koina River in the state of Maharashtra. The next comes Tehri Dam. It is located on Bhagirathi River in the state of Uttarakhand. It is the biggest hydroelectric power station in India. Here we come to the end of our video. I would like to express my sincere gratitude towards Jignesh sir for giving me this fruitful opportunity to work, learn, and explore new things under his guidance and support. I hope you all have enjoyed the video. You must have really grasped some information about hydroelectric power plant if through this video. Thank you for watching peacefully. Thank you.